Greetings YouTube and welcome back to my channel. The insurance claim is settled, so I have just 2 words to say to you. Bike shopping. Let's have it! Looks familiar. I do like an RT Urban. Echoes of a past life. Do like a good Africa twin. Maybe not, moving on. So I'll go and check out the Triumph dealership, then I'm going to go and look at the Honda dealership. See what's going on there. Well, I thought there were some very nice bikes there in the Superbike factory, but I kind of feel I want to buy from a main dealer. I want the warranty. I'm sure that people have their thoughts on that. And that is why I find myself now at Pure Triumph in Woburn. Gonna have a little look. I'm also going to have a cup of coffee and something to eat. Bike shopping is hungry business. It's also fun, which I suppose is an upside of having your bike nicked. Now, I wanted one of those back in the day, and now I want that. So a lot of people have said to me, why don't you wait until the end of the season to get another bike, because there'll be better deals on. But for me, there is no end of the season. I ride all year round, so I've got to get myself something to keep the channel going, basically. And there are some really nice bikes out there, and I will know when I find the right one. It will jump out and scream at me, I'm sure. Bon appetit. I feel this might be my penultimate stop, or maybe the ultimate stop, I don't know. I know where my heart lies. I've made my mind up where I'm heading next. So you will next see me at North Oxford BMW. I am going in to collect my new bike.
A lot of customers have got them now. You see one coming past you, see an X coming, you go, that's a GS.
Happy days.
So they've done the same thing.
It's out of this world. They've done a brilliant job.
So I've got a sneaky feeling that my new bike is going to be under that. So I was mistaken, it wasn't the bike under the sheet. Let me show you my new motorcycle. So GSA 1250 in Kalamata or Kalamata, I don't know how to say it, metallic. So, new bike, thank goodness. Start to finish, about 4 weeks, I guess, from when it was stolen to getting this new machine. And it's cost me quite a bit more to get back to essentially where I was, but I've got the 1250 now instead of the 1200, and it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. The bit that's going to take getting used to is the screen, as opposed to analog dials, but I will get there. Riding it should feel pretty much exactly the same. Happy days. There are many adventures hopefully ahead of me on this bike, and I will hopefully put just as many miles on it as I did the 1200 before it got stolen. I think in 2 years I did 30 something thousand miles, I don't know, or 35, I don't know. Anyway, you're invited to all the adventures that are going to happen, so fingers crossed nothing horrible happens like it did last time. And I'm going to move on now. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.